Okay, stop. Do not pass this video. If you need a sign for starting your own business, this is the video for that. And I'm going to make it really short, really simple. You can pass by if you don't want to start a business. If you thought about starting a business, I'm going to just give you like caveats and cons of starting a business. Not everything is perfect. Everyone knows not everything is perfect. But I have my Square account up so you can see what happens on a good day. So everyone wants to know about the money portion first, how much you can make. All right, so if you look down, I started. This is my fourth pop up, by the way, so I haven't been doing this that long. October 24th. It's the 27th of October. 9:10 a.m. We got there at 9 o'clock. We didn't even get this set up all the way. We had put out good advertisements and everything, so we already had it. We already knew a bunch of people were gonna show up, and I'll get to that point in a second. But I'll tell you everything to get to that point. So, like I said, it's our fourth pop up, and we made $690 total collected. Net sales 638. I forgot what we ended up doing. I think that same day we ended up buying some coffee in the same place we were doing a pop up at. But 9:10 we started. We ended at 12:17. So roughly around 3 hours. We sold out, completely sold out, and we picked up our almost made gross of $700, and this is in 3 hours. Reason I'm saying this is I went to culinary school. You go to a restaurant. Nothing's wrong with working in a restaurant. I'm not trying to downplay it at all. But if you want to make a lot more money than working in a restaurant, usually in a restaurant in a week, you're going to make roughly about this amount anyway. Actually, probably less than this if you're starting out. Here in Houston, most restaurants are $14 to $16 an hour. The lowest I've seen is $8 an hour. The highest I've gotten paid was $20 an hour. And that's just because I knew someone. So, yeah, if you have the ability to start your own business and be able to like have someone else, well, you can still do this, but you need like commissary kitchen for what I ended up doing, or you can do the cottage food laws, that works as well. But if you have maybe a roommate, something like that, you have a roommate, then I really advise you to start doing this if you want to actually make a lot more money. If you can do this on a regular, you can make like two pop-ups for us would be about 1,200 a week, which isn't bad at all. I'm shooting to make a lot more than that. But if you haven't thought about it, open an LLC, doing business as. It's actually really really easy. You think that it's hard, you're probably procrastinating about it. I did the exact same thing. Just normal person, did the same thing. Found out I was like, okay, this is really really easy. I'll probably put up a video regarding LLCs later on, or DBAs later on. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning right now, and I had to set up my stream again. But if you ever thought about opening a business, you can send me a message as well. I don't mind messaging you. I'll put my Instagram as well. But I highly suggest you put in some thought about opening your own business if you've ever thought about it. Because I said that I was going to let you know about advertisements. Just quick rules. Make it simple, straight to the point, not a whole lot of talking unless it's what you're actually talking about. And if you're going to run ads for it, run ads in the location that you're going to be at. So, like, hypothetically, say I'm going to be doing a pop up in Midtown, do like a 5 mile radius from Midtown. Choose maybe people from like ages 25 to like 35. Those are the ones usually now who are looking for places like this. And I think that's pretty much it. But yeah, just wanted to say that as well because I said that. And find a good cafe to work with. Just don't work with anybody because it's like, oh, well, you can do a pop up here. If they're charging you money to do a pop up, usually that's not a good place because you want to feed off each other. They're probably just trying to collect money. And then make sure they post your stuff as well. Like the place we do ours with, they do. They don't do their own advertisements. They let the people do their advertisements, but they just push your information out. Like they already have about 20K followers. They have clientele already, so that's going to be your advertisement. Your normal customers that come in. I highly recommend you do cafes instead of farmers markets. The clientele are already looking for pastries and coffee together, so why not do something and bring something new to them? And then don't stick with the same thing everyone else has. Do a niche. This is things I've learned over the last 3 months of me trying to do these pop-ups and everything. But you need to choose a niche. Don't choose cupcakes. Don't choose cookies. Everyone does that. Go outside of the box. Now, bye.